So really and truly, that's what we carry throughout our lives. We carry memories. And unfortunately, memories are generally formed by strong emotional attachments. So if Steve and I had had breakfast together for the past 6 weeks, okay, and I asked him what we had 2 weeks ago for breakfast, he probably couldn't tell me. But if I would have gotten up and thrown a glass of iced tea in his face, I'll bet he would have remembered everything. What we were wearing, what time it was, where we were at, what we were having to eat. So what I ask people to do is, have you ever had a memory or a place where you wanted to crystallize it? And you said to yourself, I want to remember this. Have you ever been successful? So if we attach a strong emotional attachment to it, I mean, I could come and throw a glass of iced tea in your face, but however, what I normally ask people to do, and this is odd and this is strange because I'm not your standard therapist, okay? You might have figured that out by now. But what I ask them to do is laugh out loud as hard as they can. Because if they have a memory and they see something and they laugh out loud as hard as they can, that strong emotion will more encode and attach that memory.